In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update or edit your email signature in Zoho Mail. A professional and updated signature is essential for making a great impression and enhancing your email communication. Start by logging into Zoho Mail. Open your web browser and go to mail.zoho.com. Then enter your login credentials. Once you're in, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click it and select View All Settings from the drop-down. In the settings page, navigate to the Mail tab on the left-hand menu and click Signatures. Here, you will see all the signatures you've created. Click on the one you want to edit and it will open the signature editor. In the editor, you can update text, add your company logo, insert hyperlinks to social media profiles, or adjust formatting to make your signature more professional and visually appealing. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to click the Update button at the bottom of the editor to save your edits. That's it. Your updated signature will now appear in all future emails, helping you maintain a polished and professional look. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Zoho Mail tutorials and tips.